Glow sticks have two chemicals in them, and when you combine them, they start putting off some good light. Today we're gonna see if we can activate that in a slightly different way. In the past, we have done a few pretty fun experiments with glow sticks, and we're back at it today, and we also have what you may recognize as a very strong industrial strength blender. We're gonna see what happens if we take a few different types of glow sticks and throw them into this blender. I'm just curious to see how well it activates, how well it chews through the plastic, and what this glowing liquid looks like as it's swirling around. We're gonna get some slow-mo footage, and it's just gonna be a lot of fun. Here's what we're gonna try. We're gonna put some glow sticks in the blender. We're gonna try heating up the glow sticks in a microwave and putting them in a blender. And then we're gonna add a little bit of our secret ingredient to see if we can get some extra brilliance. Let's start off with just a single glow stick and see how this works. Just gonna set that in there. Make sure my lid is nice and well attached. And I don't know, I think the soup button looks like the one to go for. Let's try that. Okay, here goes. 3, 2, 1. Man, that is hitting the side of the jar with a lot of force. It's just like flinging. I'm just watching the slow-mo. It's just like spraying and flinging the glowing fluid out. Where it is now, most of the glow stick is still intact. Just got hit and like did a triple pirouette in the air. I'm sure there's a skating move named for that, but it's just fun to watch how exactly it gets beat up. It's normal speed, you can't tell. It's just lots of vibrating, shaking, and then there's green on the walls, but it's cool. So after cleaning out our blender, the first blend, our blender has now like been stained green, and I'm pretty sure it's actually even glowing a little bit. So it glows a little bit, and then if I hit it with a black light, this thing is just imbued with glow stick fluid at this point. It's actually even brighter and greener in real life than it is on camera, and it looks pretty bright on camera. We have tried several different things to clean this off. We've tried alcohol, we've tried soap, we've tried cleaning oils, and so far nothing has done anything to it. Okay, one worked pretty good. I want to try taking that up to like 3 or 4 at once and see how that goes. Oh, I get a kick out of that. That's a great avatar looking blue right there. Okay, we've got some of these glow bracelets, and I'm gonna try throwing them in the microwave before I toss them into the blender, see if we can get a little bit of extra brightness out of them. So I accidentally bent this one, and it did break a little bit, but it hasn't spread everywhere, so I think we're still good to try this out. Nice. It's cool, like it activated them all while they were still like stick shaped. And then after it activated them, it just started tearing them apart. I think the only solution now is to just keep doing this and see what kind of colors we can get out of it. Here goes. Once you can't see anything inside, that's probably a good time to stop. Oh man. Oh, that is bright. There's like vapor coming out. I don't want to breathe it. Might just be atomized glow stick or something. New thing we're gonna try now, as I've been washing out the blender with hot water, I've noticed that sometimes the hot water is making it glow a little bit more intensely. So now we've filled the blender with a little bit of that hot water. We're gonna try putting the glow sticks in that and then just seeing what happens. One more thing we're gonna try, I'm gonna see what happens if we just drain all of the liquid out. And so we just have the liquid and the glass vials in the blender rather than the whole glow stick, including the plastic. It will definitely break more easily, but I don't know if it will look cooler. Well, I think that was it. I think it shattered all of them instantly. Should look good in slow-mo though. Holy moly.
We've got a little bit more time right now. We're gonna do some more Q&A. You have asked some questions. We're gonna try and answer some of them for you. We have a question from Josh Bailey at Cornish Boy saying, would you ever do a tour of your shop and video editing area? Yeah, doing a tour of our shop would actually take very, very little time. We've got the main workbench area, and then we've got the kitchen area, and those two areas are about 8, maybe 10 feet apart from each other, so it's more of just a swiveling the camera. The editing is not done at the same place. The editing, we've got several editors. Our cameraman, Mark, he does the first edits of most things. He takes all of the many hours of footage that we'll sometimes get for video. He'll condense that down into just like a half-hour version, taking out all of the times where I messed up what I was trying to say, or I cut myself off camera and didn't want to show that and stuff like that. So he'll cut that down so you can follow the storyline, and then he'll take that version and he'll send it off to one of our other editors. And we have like a team of other editors. We've got editors in multiple parts of the United States, and we also have some editors in the Philippines. And so there are several different editing stations and workstations. But yeah, tour of the studio. Pretty quick to show you all that. Doesn't take too long. One room then the other. All right, we've got another question here, and I'm very sorry. I'm probably going to pronounce your name wrong. Gabriel Fonstein at Gabe Fonge. He asks, how likely would you guys make a second channel of like bloopers during the project? Because in your videos you do small versions of bloopers at the end, but why not make a channel full of them? So like a behind the scenes or blooper channel. I don't think that's anything we've considered doing in the past, but it's not a bad idea. There are often things that get cut out of the final videos because we feel like it would disrupt the flow. It doesn't really match the tone that we're going for, or it's just not helpful to the end of the project. And I don't think we've really looked into building a second channel. One of the main problems is that although we have several editors, they're pretty busy as it is. We put out 5 videos a week, and so putting together enough videos to fill a second channel on top of that we'd probably have to hire new editors just for that, and so it'd be tricky. So while I'm not gonna say no for sure, it's not on the top of our to-do list. Guys, that's it for today, but there's always more for you to see. That box at the top will take you directly to our last video. You should go check that out. The other box will show you what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit this bomb to join the club, and that way you'll never miss out on the fun. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.